Today we had a mediation to try to resolve a workers' compensation claim. Our client came into this not really understanding what the process was, and we enjoy making sure that we educate and train our clients on what is going on anytime they're dealing with something new in the law. But what was shocking was that she didn't understand the difference between a mediation and an arbitration. So quickly, I wanted to share that with you all. Mediation is an opportunity for the two parties to come together with a mediator or a neutral who's going to go and talk to both sides and try to reach an agreement. This is something voluntary. You don't have to reach an agreement. You don't have to close your case as a result of the mediation. If the other side is being unreasonable and never offers sufficient money, then you can simply walk away from the table and continue on fighting your workers' compensation claim up into including a hearing. When it comes to mediation, that is something that you voluntarily agree to do with the other party. Arbitration is different. Arbitration you will hear in the news often when it comes to corporations, sometimes some big contract disputes, and that's because there is a clause in the contract that requires you to participate in arbitration. Well, what's the big difference? In an arbitration, you have a judge or an arbiter who is going to listen to both sides in a very informal process, so it cuts through some of the red tape of the trial, and then they're going to decide who gets what amount or what result. It is binding and it is mandatory. You don't get the option of walking away if you don't like the deal. That's the difference between mediation and arbitration, and we wanted to make sure you understood that today. So if you call us regarding your work accident, there's a very good chance at some point we're going to go through the mediation process, but you still have the power and authority to determine what's best for you and your case. So call us today at Rohan Law. We want to make sure that we're your best friends on your worst day. Let us come alongside you during this time after a work accident. Make sure you get the benefits that you deserve. We want to make sure that you are protected financially for a better future ahead, even if it means living with the injuries that you've sustained. So call us today. You don't owe us anything. The consultation is free, and ultimately we get paid based on what we get back from the insurance company when your case is closed. Thank you. Your best friend on your worst day.